Good morning everyone. This is Neha Rastogi from the Millennium School, South City, Lucknow. Dear children, we are doing arithmetic mean and we have already completed three main types of series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Today we are going to do some numericals on special types of series, which can be less than or more than series, mid-value series, inclusive class interval series, open-end series or unequal class series. Right? Today we will cover these two types of special categories. First is less than series. Children, in less than series, question is given like this. The class intervals are given like this: less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70. Now children, how will we make the class intervals out of this? The difference between 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 40 and 50, 50 and 60, 60 and 70 is 10. It's 10 every time. So you know the class intervals will be for 10, 10, 10. Now for less than 70, class interval will be 60 to 70. For this it will be 50 to 60. For this it will be 40 to 50. 30 to 40, because we are talking about less than 40. Less than 40 mein what will come? It's from 30 to 40. Here from 20 to 30. So here it will be from 10 to 20, because the time intervals or the class intervals are for 10 only. Children, in these types of series, whenever less than series are given, these numbers or these number of companies are not your frequencies. These are cumulative frequencies. You know why? When it is saying less than 20, that means whatever profits companies are earning which is less than 20, the number of companies are 5. That means 5 companies are earning profits less than 20. Then 22 companies are earning profits less than 30. So children, in this 30 profits less than 30, this 20 is also included, right? Because when we are talking about 30, it's 0 to 30. When we are talking till 20, it's 0 to 20. So obviously in 0 to 30, 20 will also be included. Right? Then when we say less than 40, it means from 0 to 40. Number of companies are 48. That means 48 companies are earning less than 40. So it again means that whatever is till here is included in 40. Right? So what we do here is to find out the actual frequencies of the series. What we do is, these are the cumulative frequencies that are given. See, this was only for the firms which are earning less than 20. Then to find out the firms which are earning less than 30, what we can do? We can subtract the number of companies which were earning less than 20. To find out the number of companies which are earning between 30 to 40, what we can do? We can subtract the companies which were earning up to 30. So these are the cumulative frequencies, and from here we calculate the frequencies. Now let's see how. See children, since I said the class intervals will be for 10, 10, because the difference there is for 10. So it's from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70. These cumulative frequencies are given. To find out the frequencies of the class intervals, what we will do? From 10 to 20, it's 5 only, because it is saying less than 20. Then in less than 30, it is 22. So if we find out only between 20 to 30, what will we do? 22 minus 5. It will be 17. To find out the frequency number of companies that lie between 30 to 40, what will we do? We will subtract the number of companies which were earning up to 30. That means 48 minus 22. It's 26. Likewise, 60 minus 48, 12. 83 minus 60 is 23. 100 minus 83 is 17. Now, you know how to calculate mid values. It's upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That means 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 means 15. Again, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 50 plus 2 divided by 50 divided by 2 is equals to 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. Likewise, we get the x. Now children, after getting frequency and x, you can use any of the formulas. That means any of the methods. You can use direct method, shortcut method or step deviation method. Here I have used a step deviation method because that reduces the calculation. Right? So I have calculated d here as x minus a, then d dash, then f d dash. Right? F into d dash. This same way as we were doing before. Then we substitute it in the formula and we get the answer. Right? You can use any of the formulas. Now comes your next method, that is more than series. It is given like this: more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50. Now when we are talking about more than 0, that means children it is from 0 to 50. More than 10 means from 10 to 50, from 20 to 50, 30 to 50, 40 to 50, right? It is like this. But since you can see again the class intervals are for 10, 10. So the class interval here will be more than 0 means from 0 to 10. More than 10 means from 10 to 20. From more than 20, 20 to 30. When we say more than 30, it means 30 to 40. Then 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Then again cumulative frequencies are given. Now children, when we were saying more than 0, then cumulative frequency was 50. That means from 0 to 60 it was 50. From 10 to 60 it was 45. From 20 to 60 it was 38. From 30 to 60 it was 26. From 40 to 60 it was 10. And from 50 to 60 it is 4. So in more than series, what we do to find out the frequency, we start from the cumulative frequency at the end. Because this is the certain value. From 50 to 60 it is 4. From 40 to 60 it is 10. So what will we do? To find out the frequency of just 40 to 50, it's 10 minus 4, 6. Again, from 30 to 60 it is 26. But to find out the frequency of class interval 30 to 40, what will we do? We will subtract 26 minus 10. That means 16. Likewise, 38 minus 26, 12. 45 minus 38, 7. 50 minus 45, 5. Again children, mid values, frequencies, any of the methods, put the values in the formula and you will get the answer. You can find it out with any of the methods. It can be direct, shortcut or step deviation. Right children? Now children, in a series where mid values are given, right? As we have seen, mid values are treated as x. So these questions are simple as your discrete series questions because x is given, frequency is given. You can again calculate it by any of the methods. I have done it by shortcut method. By step deviation method. I have calculated d dash and then f d dash. Substituted the values and got the answer. I hope children that you are not finding arithmetic mean very complicated. Still, if you have any problem, please clarify it with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you children. Have a good day. Take care of yourself.